Hello everyone, this is the recording for August 23rd. This is our preview day for Unit 1 and we are going to be taking a closer look at the skills of history. Friendly reminder that today is the first day you should start taking notes when you watch these recordings. If you haven't already downloaded the template, you go to our content menu. You can look up Unit 1 and there's a tab that says Class Connect Notes. If you click on the first link, which says Unit 1 Week 2, it'll pull this screen up, and in this screen there is a link that lets you save the Word document. This is what the Word document looks like. Remember that you have to use my template. You cannot just take notes on your own. You need to use my template and fill this in. So today is the first day you're filling this in. And then you will turn this in on August 30th. So you're taking today's preview day with next week's recording. So this is the 23rd through the 30th. You're going to turn all those notes in together next Friday, the 30th. Please make sure you're using this template and no other template, no other Word document, just the one found at this link right here. Let's get started with class. And the first thing we're going to do is go over these starter questions. So now is a great time to pause the recording and answer these 3 questions. And you're answering these in your notes. What days and time do we have Class Connect? Are Class Connects mandatory? What assignments are due today? Please make sure you're answering in full sentences. So you will put, we have Class Connect on ... Class Connects are ... Today, blank is due. And you'll make sure you write your answers in full sentences, please. Go ahead and pause the recording now and answer these starter questions. So for today's recording, we're actually going to watch an old recording. You're able to fast forward through the beginning of it because you just did the starter questions and there's some old information that doesn't pertain to this year. So you're going to go ahead and fast forward the recording and you will start at the 13-minute, 19-second mark. One quick thing about this recording is that I do give out class notes. It's an old version. Don't use the old version that I give out in this recording. Use the version that is in your online high school that we just talked about a moment ago. Also, in this recording, you're going to hear me tell them to do their exit ticket and go formative. I am not doing it that way this year. You are doing your exit tickets in the online high school. So at the end of the recording that you watch, the old recording, when it says to go formative, don't go to go formative. Go to the online high school and do the exit ticket there. All right, in a moment, I'll pause the recording so that you can have this link to the old recording. In case you've never fast forward through a recording, down at the bottom, you have the ability to move this little cursor right here. So basically, you want to move it until you hit the 13-minute, 19-second mark and then hit play. Basically, you are starting with this screen right here. That's what you want to fast forward to. Starting with the screen that says learning is getting it wrong and then getting it right. All right, and then just one more friendly reminder on the exit tickets. The question is still the same as the recording, but you are submitting it into the OHS. So when you're in the content menu, you'll go to Unit 1. You can either click directly on the module, or you can just scroll down to the quiz, but you want to choose the quiz that says exit ticket Unit 1 preview day. That's where you're going to put in today's exit ticket answer and today's code word. The code word is given out in the recording, so make sure you watch the whole recording so you get the code word, or I should say the whole recording from that 13-minute, 19-second mark like I told you to fast forward to. All right, great job, guys. 1 week down, many more to go. I look forward to getting to interact with you all through next week's recordings. Have a great weekend. Thanks.